Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering only the frames you need and making sure each image shares the same resolution and pivot. Once done, align origin so motion doesn't jump. This matters because inconsistent pivots break animation. Next, name files in order and import either as a sprite sheet or as separate files into your editor. Make sure to set the correct canvas size and pixel grid. Small misalignments here compound later and cost time to fix. Once imported, arrange frames in the animation timeline and set initial timing values so you can read motion rhythm. You want to experiment with 60-120 ms per frame for human-like movement, shorter for snappy actions. Use onion skin to compare adjacent frames and correct spacing or in between frames. Small adjustments to pose and overlap improve perceived fluidity. Also test looping early to catch jerks. Make sure to mirror or you finish by exporting either a packed sprite sheet or numbered frames with transparency and sensible padding. Power of two textures often perform better in engines. Then import to your engine, create animation clips, and hook them to your state machine so transitions blend smoothly. Optimize by trimming excess pixels and using compression without losing key details. If the animation looks wrong, check pivot alignment first. Mismatched origins are the most common cause of popping and offset. Fix pivots and re-export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.